A minimalist home design with rustic stone elements and a cozy tropical yard garden invites serenity and peacefulness into everyday living. This fusion creates an ideal space that balances simplicity and the raw beauty of nature, offering comfort, style, and a calming atmosphere. Let's explore how these elements come together. Minimalism is more than a design trend. It's a lifestyle. With clean lines, open spaces, and uncluttered surfaces, minimalist architecture encourages mindfulness. Think open floor plans and neutral tones where every element serves a purpose. Here, the heart of the home is pure, functional, and comforting, surrounded by nature's quiet embrace. Incorporating rustic stone elements into the home adds timeless charm and texture. Stone walls, whether inside or outside, offer a rustic yet refined feel. They provide warmth during the cooler months and remain cool in the heat. The natural hues and patterns of stone create a perfect contrast to sleek, minimalist design. Wooden accents, such as reclaimed beams, furniture, and flooring, introduce warmth and contrast against the cool stone. Natural wood and soft, weathered tones provides organic texture, softening the modern feel of minimalist interiors. These touches ground the home in its surroundings, creating an environment that is both welcoming and calming. Expansive glass windows invite the outdoors into the minimalist space. The open design allows for stunning views of the surrounding tropical yard garden. Sunlight filters through, casting natural light across simple interiors, and the green hues outside provide an organic backdrop to the clean, neutral palette indoors. An open-plan living space is the essence of minimalist design, where each room flows into the next. The space encourages movement and openness. Carefully curated furniture, positioned thoughtfully, keeps the area clear of clutter, yet still welcoming. This freedom of design gives every family member the luxury of calm and undistracted living. In the yard, tropical plants, lush palms, vibrant ferns, and colorful flowers create a vibrant contrast to the simplicity of the minimalist home. A well-designed garden offers a private oasis, perfect for moments of relaxation. Paths and sitting areas blend seamlessly into the natural environment, turning the garden into an extension of the home's tranquility. Natural stone pathways meander through the garden, leading to peaceful spots for reflection. Water features, like a small pond or a trickling fountain, introduce the soothing sounds of water. These elements harmonize with the stone architecture, creating a serene flow between the home and its surrounding landscape, enhancing the rustic charm. Sustainability lies at the heart of this design. The minimalist home is built to last, with eco-friendly materials like reclaimed stone, wood, and glass. Cozy corners are created with soft cushions, simple furniture, and small-scale decor, ensuring the space feels connected to nature while offering a comfortable, low-maintenance lifestyle. A minimalist home with rustic stone and a tropical garden isn't just a design. It's a way of living with purpose. Every element, from the stone walls to the lush garden, works in harmony to create a home that's not only beautiful but grounded in the natural world. Embrace the simplicity, warmth, and timeless elegance of this balanced lifestyle.